Today's the day the carpet goes in. Let's get to it. All right, everyone, you can see I've cleaned up a little bit. Still missing some panel under here. I'll get that done Monday, but countertops are in. And unfortunately, the way my camera picks them up is they look really pinkish. They're not at all. So I'm not sure what the deal is with that, but they don't look as crappy as my camera makes them look. They're actually like a very similar tone in this part here where it looks pink to the cabinet front. So I'm not really sure what's going on there, but it's completely different on the camera and it looks really, really crappy. It must just be the way it, I don't know, whatever. Anyway, this is done. This thing's kind of nice. Sprayer there, pretty good. All the plumbing's done minus the dishwasher needs to be connected, and I haven't done that yet because the panels on the back of this need to be screwed in and they need to be done from behind the dishwasher. So no big deal. Cabinets are in over there. Lighting's rocking and rolling. This is all complete. Oh, and come check this out. This bathroom is done, cleaned up, beautiful. Look at this. Look, nice little bathroom. All the sinks and lavatories all work now. This room here is getting painted. Just got one coat rolled on the walls, and then I'll do the second coat and the 2 coats of brushing when I have a longer day. I only had half a day to do that yesterday. And upstairs. Now upstairs, the carpet has been ordered. It should be in about a week, week and a half. And then these stairs could be carpeted. The stringers need a coat of paint. That's just primer on them right now. They turned out nice with the wood filler and the sanding. And then of course there's gonna be a trim along them where the drywall meets. And in here, sparkle, sparkle. Check this out. And this is new with the door. Don't have the strip on yet because this was just installed today. And there's silicone along here that needs to dry. But messy tub. This all works. Tiles all done. Got a little mosaic effect in the center, and then the other ones, the camera doesn't really pick them up well. No, it does, not bad. You can see they're installed vertically. Looks pretty cool. Nice, clean, really clean look. Like everything I've kind of been going for with this house is just clean and non-offensive to everybody. wall paint goes up. Everything's all cleaned. Look at this. Oh, just look at this. So cozy. It's great. It's great. Got my little touch-ups done here and there on the walls. Look at this. Nice transition into the nice tile. Shower's all done. Caulked. Works beautifully. Maybe I'll even try it out. Double basins, water runs, lots of pressure. Beautiful. So it goes continuous all the way through everything. Just nice. Just nice. Plush, comfortable. Had a little mishap here. Cheap outlets. I had I think the vacuum plugged in here and rubbed up past it and yarded out the cord, and it broke this thing. Junk. Anyway, that needs to be replaced now. That sucks. And picking up the closet organizers, or the closet for all this. Just go and wire a closet in these, and later if somebody wants to fire in a wardrobe or something, they can. But yeah, just to give you an idea, that's the carpet done, and the house nicely cleaned up. So we're getting doors put in. I've been working the last couple days. Basement doors in. Closet doors are in. The only last two doors I have are the bathroom and the bedroom on the main floor. I'm also doing the closets today here. It's been kind of a difficult week because of the COVID-19 virus shutting down a lot of Canada and the world. It's not a good situation. A lot of people are sick. It is March 21st today. And the interesting thing is I have this house, I have an offer in this house. Some people came and looked at it, they liked it, and they want to buy it. So I've been here working hard, getting the doors put in, getting everything trimmed out. You see that window's done. Closets are going in right now. I'm trying to do things with the blocks of time I have because I'm kind of getting into a bit of a rush situation here. So bars and restaurants are closed. Some businesses are closed. It's not a good situation for the world right now, for Canada right now. As far as I know, the electrical inspectors are off until the beginning of April. So I have a little bit of time there before I can even get final electrical inspection. And this deal is supposed to close May 15th. I have all the styrofoam for the house ready to go on. I basically went out and I bought all the supplies to finish this house. Even though I didn't really have all the room for them, I'll have all the major stuff. So I can be basically here in isolation if need be, finishing this house so this deal can close. But any of you that have bought a house with a mortgage and that also know, there's lawyers involved, banks involved. Who's to say this is actually gonna happen? All right, everyone. Things are looking good. Things are starting to look pretty good. I have the doors all in now. All done. So next week it is deck and it's nice clunk when they close. So next week it's deck and foam on the outside. So like I was saying here, because of our climate, it's building code for you to put 1 inch styrofoam. So that's what that is down there. That's 66 pieces. I may need a little more, but that should get a good chunk of it done. 66 pieces of styrofoam. So those go on, and then as well, we're gonna build the deck here. So that is all getting done next week. I will keep posting. I will update or put a new video on when the exterior gets underway. It might be a few extra weeks just because, inside doing finished carpentry and trim is pretty boring. I'm not going to release a video for all that. And painting, no, you don't want to watch me paint, I don't think. But like, share, subscribe, stay safe, everyone. Thanks for watching.